Hello, and welcome to a guided journey into deep relaxation. My name is Erin Rose, and I'm so grateful to get to be here with you in this practice. This series of audio practices is designed to support your body, mind, psyche, and soul in receiving the healing that you deserve. When we allow our body to rest deeply, we set the conditions for restoration on every level. With the pace of the modern world, the constant demands on our attention, and the increasing levels of uncertainty, finding moments of rest can be challenging. And yet, it is absolutely the medicine that we all need. As Yoga Nidra teacher Tracy Stanley says, rest is our birthright. And when we take the time to practice conscious rest, we get to remember who we are beneath all of the noise and movement of daily life. It is courageous to pause and get still, and I honor you for being here. The invitation for this series is to take the next 40 days and devote to a practice of deep rest. You can choose one practice that resonates or cycle through the practices in this series. Open up to the possibility of transforming your relationship with rest and watch how it shifts your reality from the inside out. Let's begin.